Hey guys, it's Deborah from Timelessjewelbydebra. So, I am opening up a box that came for 2023 is when I got it. So, this was Mechanicsburg. I used to always get a lot from Mechanicsburg. I don't think I have very many Phoenix around here. I might have a few tucked away somewhere, but yeah, definitely not. So let's see when I purchased this. This was purchased April 14th. All right. Let's see if it got into a bag yet. Nope. Look at that. They still are not putting items into plastic bags. All right, so here is what it looks like. Let's take everything out. I'm going to go through it piece by piece. Oh, there's another. Look at this, you guys. Look at that. It's just laying in there by itself, that bracelet. I tell you. Sad. Sad, sad. Alright, so hopefully all the pieces are there. I am not very hopeful, but we will see. I may have to actually send some of these clips to ThredUP so they understand what's happening with these boxes when we're getting them. So, all right, you guys, let me lay everything out and I'll be right with you. All right, so we're going to start with the broken pieces first. So we got a broken silver tone acrylic necklace. Necklace is pretty. Just this popped out, this acrylic piece popped out, so if someone could get that in there and tighten it, great. I am going to do this as craft for $1. Then we've got this necklace, which is silver tone, super pretty. Now these, let me see if I can remember, are these glass? Let me get my piece of metal. You know, I can't tell, and I'm not going to pull the Presidium out for this, so let's just say these are an acrylic. Problem is that there is one missing right here. So already we've got 2 broken pieces out of the ThredUP 15 piece. Okay, what do we want to do next? Let's do, oops, knocking you guys all over. So here was that acrylic necklace that came in here. It's gold tone, and it's a bar necklace. It's pretty, and there is no maker's mark on it. It would be very short if it didn't have this extender, but you could take off this gold tone extender. It measures 15.5 inches, and that is with the extender. Really pretty, though. So we can do that for $3. And what I'm going to have you guys do is I'm going to have you email me, and this will be going up today. Today is Friday, the 28th of April. Wow. And these prices will be good for up until Sunday. So if you want anything, let me know. Otherwise, we will close it off to sales until I bring them back at the end of May in case they don't sell. Okay, let's pull this out. This is really pretty. This is a set. All right, let me pull this up here. So this is Premier Design. This feels like a ceramic, and these are acrylic. There is some glass, so this is mixed materials. And it does have the Premier Design there, and it does have a matching bracelet. Isn't that pretty? Let me find my bracelet mandrel, and I'll get you the necklace size as well. So super pretty. So yeah, it fits naturally at about a 7. It could stretch a little bit up. So that's pretty. And the chain, here we go. It's funny how stuff is right here in my work area, but then I can't find it when I need it, right? That's how life works. All right, so let's go ahead and measure this necklace. Fully extended is 18 inches. So this is a cute older Premier Design set. So for the set, let's do 16. So I'm going to move these off a little bit. Oh, yes, yes, yes. All right, so next we got a gold tone. This is really pretty. These are acrylic. Let me see if I can get that laying back out. Super pretty. So it's gold tone necklace that comes down to 3 different layers. I love this. I think it's just super pretty. It has a long extender because it's supposed to clip down here, but there is an extender with it. So let me get you that measurement. Super nice. I think it's 20 inches. I did pre-measure it, and that would be including, yes, it is just at 20 inches, including that extender. So lovely. No maker's mark on this. So for this, let's do 5. All right. This is gorgeous. I love this. So I don't think 4 layers. Okay. So this is a gold tone necklace. There is some wear back here I want you to be aware of. And these are marbled. They're all acrylic. Aren't they lovely? So there's 4 strands of them. It's gold tone. And I will get you that measurement. It's lovely. And we'll get that. Let's pull out our Vera Bradley measuring tape. All right, so it's 20 inches total length. Super pretty. So for this 4, goes down to 4 chain. Let's do 5 on that. This is so pretty. All right, so we've got Tiger's Eye. This is Talbot's. Here is the T. Oops, let me move that so you can see that a little better. There we go, Talbot's. Gold tone. And it has different shapes and acrylics. It's 2 chains that are accented here with beautiful, beautiful Tiger's Eye. Oh, just lovely. Let's measure this. I think this looks to be about 18 inches. Let me check that. Okay, so it's about 18 1/4, 18 1/2, all the way fully extended. Talbot's mixed material oval necklace. I love that with the Tiger's Eye. Lovely, lovely. So let's do that for 6. So beautiful. Oh boy, is this lovely. So this is gold tone. This is by Loft. Bring this up here so you can see it. I'm making sure. It looks like all the rhinestones are there, but this is really pretty. This is classy. You can wear this with any kind. You can dress this up or you can dress this down. It is a beautiful, beautiful piece by Loft. It looks to be about 18 inches. Let me measure this. It is 18 inches. It is lovely, but it would be 16 inches if you clasp it here. Beautiful length. And for this Loft, let's do 8. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. These are some funny earrings. All right. So I don't believe this company is called this anymore. Mulberry and Grand Accessories, mulberry.grand.com. I believe they had a name change, but this did come with a bag, and I'm calling these the porcupine earrings. These are acrylic. They are plastic, and they are white with Aurora Borealis, and they're called Mulberry and Grand. They are really super pretty, different. Here is the information, but yeah, I don't believe they are called this anymore, but they are nice pair of earrings. We can do, let's do 8 for those. Then we got, oops, some tangle. We got some boho white tassel, good for spring and summer. So they're a triple tier. Let me get that down. And you can always gently spray these, very gently. And get them to reshape if they start to fly out a little bit. You can see how they're hooked, but they are a brass tone, and they're 3 layers of tassels, and they measure 4.5 inches. They're pretty. We can do those for 5. Okay, then we got a gold tone boho with like a coral, I guess I would call it. These are more of a burnt orange, and this is more of a coral enamel earring. They have a little shell right there. Here is the back. They're super pretty. I like these kind of hoopy earrings. And we can do 5 for those. Then we got a pair of silver tone and acrylic. Get that close back up. These are not branded. They are like a peach square. And for these little danglies, we can do $2. We got some pretty, I thought these were sterling at first. They're not. I did double check them. They are not sterling, but they're beautiful. They look sterling from far away. Square hoops. Lovely. Close that up. That's what they look like. For these silver tone squared hoops, we can do, let's do 3 for these. Okay, we got a pair of Kendra Scott in a rose gold / gold tone. These are like a soft rose gold. Beautiful earrings. It is marked here on the side. Let me find it. Right there is your marking, Kendra Scott. I believe these are the Danielle earrings, and we can do these for 20. Okay, I know my friend Lindsay did a unboxing of jewelry the other day, and she got one that looks similar to this. This is not sterling, and it is not gold. It is not marked anything, but it is very pretty. I'm calling it the X bracelet. We can do that for, let's do that for $5. This is lovely. So this is a heavy silver tone rhinestone stretch bracelet, and it looks like all of the rhinestones are there. I'm just triple checking. I always like to check. All right, lovely. I wear a 7, and it's got good stretch to get over my big hand, so that's what it looks like. I would go not much bigger than a 7, because you can see, you know, if you space them out. So that fits me really nicely. A little tight, so I wouldn't go much higher. For this rhinestone stretch bracelet, let's do 8. And then the last item we got is Kema Earth, Kema Earth, EARTH. And this is a unisex inner peace bracelet. Peace of mind, serenity, and calm. African opal sea sediment jasper. And little information on the card. It says, by wearing these gorgeous, soothing, earth tone, semi-precious stone, it allows your body to naturally connect to the energy that these beads give out, creating an energetic vibration within you of comfort, feeling safe, self-confidence, and love. It also opens your heart chakra by promoting love and compassion, while it eases fears, worries, anxieties, and sadness. Each stone seems to resemble the earth in such a beautiful and unique way, which helps you keep grounded, confident, and calm. Isn't that lovely? So it is really pretty, new in the box. And so for this Kema Earth, we can do 12. All right, you guys. So let me know in the comments, what's your favorite piece? I have to say, I love this loft piece. I think it's really pretty. I do love the Kendra Scott just because I love anything turquoise colored, but I love this as well. So leave me a comment down below, and these can be purchased up until Sunday. Otherwise, I will put the sales on hold after that for just a little while. I will be taking a hiatus for those that do not know. I will still be posting, of course, but family first is what I always say. So, all right, you guys, well, you take care of each other, and don't forget I have a sale tomorrow, Saturday, at 10 a.m., and I am doing all clearance costume jewelry starting at $1. I don't think there's going to be anything more than $5. Most of them are going to be buy it now. We may do a few auctions. There will be no sterling, just costume. So, all right, you guys, well, you take care, be well, and I will see you real soon. Bye, guys.